Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Mimecast, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in cybersecurity is essential in today's digital landscape. Mimecast is a leading provider in this field. Begin by researching Mimecast's business model and services. Understand their core offerings, such as email security, archiving, and threat intelligence. Analyze their market position compared to competitors. Review recent financial reports to gauge profitability and growth potential. Pay attention to their customer base and partnerships. Evaluate client testimonials and case studies related to Mimecast's effectiveness. Identify any significant industry trends impacting cybersecurity investments. Explore potential risks associated with investing in Mimecast. Visit investment analysis websites for expert opinions. Check for any recent mergers, acquisitions, or changes in leadership. Ensure that you're aware of regulatory considerations in the cybersecurity industry. Determine your investment strategy, whether it's short-term or long-term. Assess your risk tolerance to decide how much to invest. Consider diversifying your investments by combining Mimecast with other tech stocks. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Fund your account based on your investment strategy. Use stock market research tools to monitor Mimecast's stock performance. Set a target price for your investment decision. Stay updated with news related to Mimecast and the overall cybersecurity market. Re-evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions and Mimecast's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.